going to school right now. Na like sitaki kuchelewa because I have to meet with my friends. Nimpe kitu kwanza ndio niende class. Just wanna be your girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makofi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, you're welcome. So, niko ready because I'm going to school right now. Na like sitaki kuchelewa because I have to meet with my friends. Nimpe kitu kwanza ndio niende class. And the class is at 10, it's 10:20. Yeah, so this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this white vestish, this green shorts, and my white sneakers, and the face of the day. Yeah, so let's go.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back.
Hey.
Jamani, songa mbele.
Hey. Get it.
Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found.
Atoti mela. Atoti ukizunguka naishiwa na head. Hey, real. Atoti. Alafu
You, I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste?
So it's around 3-ish, and I got back. No, it's around 2:30-ish, and I got back like a while back ago. And nimetoka, I'm tired. I just want to eat. I'm having spaghetti and meat that I left from yesterday's supper. That's what I'm having for lunch. And yeah, I just want to sit down, relax, and find something to watch because I'm an iPad kid. So I have to, like, I cannot eat without watching something. I have a problem. Like, if I eat in silence, I'm feeling there's something wrong. So yeah, that's all. Nimechoka. Have I said that? Okay, let me say it again. Nimechoka. And also, you see, my nails are not done, but look how cute they are. They look so cute. So it's maintenance week. I want to get my hair done this week. I may get my nails done this week. I don't know whether I should like give it time. Zipumwe kidogo. Yeah, but I'm definitely doing my hair this week because I'm not looking cute. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. Yeah, I know I look a mess, but bear with me. So I'm just from undoing my hair. I want to get into the shower. I wash this hair. Yeah, I want to wash it and then I lay it because like I'm heading out to discuss my project like with my friends. So yeah, so this is the current situation. So I just want to like get it very, very fast. Ndio nitoke, and then I think I'm gonna come back. Then I go for blow dry because tomorrow I have a morning class, but I also want to get my hair done tomorrow. So I don't know how that's gonna work out, but yeah. So I'm ready. Nimekuja to kurant about like the hair situation, like hey, putting a scarf on your head is like a task. Nimeosha nywele nikajambia my skin keeps glowing. Let me tell you something. So yesterday I feel like this conversation nimewapoteza sana, but yesterday I was going to school and then a friend of mine we akukuwa na viti kwa classes, so me and my friend were walking around tukitafuta like viti. Alafu he said, na makeup yako inakaa vizuri. And you know, I didn't have makeup on, it was my face. That's the biggest compliment of the year. Hiyo nasonga nayo hadi December. Anyway, I was complaining about the scarf situation. So, like, I saw a hack on TikTok that I'm going to show you guys one day because that's a life-saving hack. Ya kuweka kitu ndo isi slide off. But yo, anyway, let's go.
Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby, I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone, love me now. Love me now, love me now. Numb, 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 numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain.
Anxiety, anxiety, anxiety. Oh, tunakaa vizuri. Guys, it's Thursday. It's Thursday, and like I was supposed to have a class, a makeup class today at 7. Boy, do I have a story for you guys. You see how my eyes are puffy. Yesterday I was so tired from, what did I do yesterday? Like from just yesterday I was just so tired. So nikakuja, like I thought I'd sleep early, but then my sleep had different plans. Let me tell you, I tossed and turned from like 1 or 2 to 1 or 2 to I tossed and turned from 1 to 2 or 1 around 2. Alafu from 2 to 7 bado sijalala. I really tried everything. I felt like I was hungry, nikakula. Like I hydrated. Nashanga nini shida yo, and then this side of my head was aching. I was having like one of those migraines. Oh my god. So like ikafika asubuhi, just told my friend I can't make it to school. Kumbe pia hata agenda. So anyway, so I was supposed to go to the salon at 11:30. Okay, my friend Gift, shout out to her for being my emergency contact. She got me painkillers, and then at around 7 I slept. It's now 11:40. I was supposed to be in the salon at 11:30, so I'm running late. I haven't gotten my braids yet. Even today is just like not a good day for me. So I want to go, nimwambie naendea braids sahi, naendea tu hapa huku mbele. So I want to go get my braids, and then ndio sasa tuanze kushuka nywele. Stay tuned. Hi guys. So it's Friday and I was almost heading out, and then I remembered I haven't shown you guys my new hair. So wait for it. Shani Mapea 360. Yeah. And so I didn't show you guys the hair yesterday because it wasn't done, because I realized like after nitoka kwa salon that I wanted it to be like really long. So I came, and then me and Cindy finished it, like we made it longer, so it took like a lot of time, but then we're done and I'm heading out. I'm going out with the girls. I'm going for a concert. Yeah, and let me show you my outfit of the day. Sasa I'm wearing this black top, this ini animal gani, hey, yo animal print trouser. Nah, I'm wearing these shades also have like an animal print, so that itaendana vizuri. And I'm gonna wear my black G4s, and yeah, so I want to head out right now before nichelewe alafu Rita anze kunigombanisha. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I had forgotten to accessorize. Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you.
it's Saturday. Yo, I had a time. Let's not do that again. Let's actually not do that again. I'm so tired. But yo, I love hanging out with my friends so much. Like, I feel like the week is going to be so nice after this. Anyway, like, I feel like when I make my hair, nangojanga I defrost, because now I feel like my head is so round, if that makes any sense. Acha nitai hii nywele kwanza ndo niendelee. Much better. Anyway, so yesterday I went out with my girls, vile mmeona, and then like we had a time. I think like there are going to be like several clips of us. You'll just see how much fun I had. Yo, ama I should just live with my friends. Tuishi tu kwa like apartment moja, me and all my girls, because what? Yo, anyway, so today I just want to rest. I want to edit a vlog that's supposed to go up tomorrow. And also me and my friends want to go for like a nature walk so we can connect to the nature, because after the time I had yesterday, I don't think I'm going to go outside anytime soon. I naongea alafu kidogo, but no, I'm indoors now. I'm back indoors. Yo, today I woke up, my whole body was in pain. I'm not doing that again. Anyway, so yeah, let's go for the nature walk and then come back and then we finish up the editing, and yeah.
We are kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't.
Jua ni bright. Simu kwa hapo.
My team.
Even know me. I leave you lonely.
Uoni kona skull hapa mbele. Ni real.
Walai.
So nikikuta kitu kai niwalete.
You told guys.
Najua hero namna gani?
Onyi tulia.
Onyi tulia. Onyi tulia.
To blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. Come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my head.
I'm class 2.
Kuswim si unaweza learn kwa siku moja.
Hiyo ni statistics ya wapi?
Si ndio? Unaweza learn kuswim na one single lesson.
My nails look, I feel myself in the zone. Get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're
I smile.
you're sexy boy. Hey baby, so I know, baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna.
Hi guys, so it's Monday, and when I came back on Saturday, I couldn't really do the ending of this vlog because I was so tired. But thank you so much for reaching this point of the vlog. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.